Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today we have a very exciting product in our hands. Shazam! Häagen-Dazs Duo. Now this is one of the most famous ice cream brands in the world that is made by General Mills, and they have come up with this new idea of putting two different flavors in a single ice cream tube. Sounds very good. I'm very excited, can't wait to taste this. Let's open it up and see what it has inside. So this is the tube, and this flavor is dark chocolate and salted caramel. That's very good combination of flavors. And 72% made from real chocolate. What are the other 28% made from? Who knows? Yeah, just information if you need to check protein and sugar, all that stuff. And General Mills, that's the company that makes it. I think in the USA it's made by a different company. I think Nestle makes them or something. Yep, nothing else. Let's pop this cap open and see what it looks inside. Can't wait. It's gonna be tasty, I know it. Ooh, they have a seal. So it's different from Ben & Jerry's because they don't have the seal on that one. I think they have seal outside with the plastic here. Okay, let's open it up. Look at this. Ooh, nice. Look at this, guys. So this is like vanilla and this is chocolate. And I see they have chocolate chips over here. And I guess the caramel is underneath this. Looks really good. Nice. Anyway, enough talk. Let's get the spoon and try it. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Let's see if Häagen-Dazs Duo ice cream is any good. Okay, I already took one chop off here because I was picturing the thumbnail. So this is what it looks inside, two flavors. And while I dig with the spoon, I found that they have a lot of caramel here. Look at this. Ooh, the caramel is coming out. See? The caramel is coming out. Okay, it's time for taste. I took this one bite with both of the flavors at the same time, so it will be really good. Let's see. Häagen-Dazs Duo going in. Nice. Very good flavor. I took a bite of this other one with just the white part, and this one is a little bit less sweet than the brown part. Let's try the brown part again. Yep, the brown part is much more sweet than this white part. I think this is the chocolate and the caramel part. I don't know. What is this white part? Because it's chocolate and salted caramel crunch. But what is this white part? I'm so confused right now. I know. So this white part is just vanilla ice cream, but it has these chocolate chunks. I guess it's the dark chocolate part. So this salted caramel crunch, that one has normal chocolate as well inside. So there's like two different chocolate in here. That's very good. So this is the chocolate part. And this one is not dark chocolate, it's just normal chocolate with salted caramel. And the flavor? It's perfect, man. It's perfect. This is much more sweet, this brown part, than this white part. So I think it's good when you're eating this, you can switch between the two. Like this is less sweet, so when you get tired of this other one, you switch to the other one. So you get like You never get tired of this. Personally, I like this white one more because I think this brown part is a little bit too sweet in my taste. The salted caramel is really sweet in this one, and the chocolate combined with chocolate is really sweet. Let's try to mix them together a little bit. When you mix them, it creates a really unique flavor. This is a good ice cream. One of the best I have ever tasted. I like also how the chocolate chips inside are like crunchy, so it feels good in your mouth when you eat it. So good. Häagen-Dazs Duo. I rarely give this rating, but I think this one deserves 10 out of 10. I don't see anything wrong with this ice cream. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. And it's also a really good idea to put 2 different flavors in a single tube. I haven't seen anybody else make this kind of thing. So it's like original idea. Price wise, this was also, well, I got this on discount because they have special offer to promote this, but I think price wise this is on the higher end. It's even more expensive than Magnum's. Same level as the Ben & Jerry's in the price, I think. But on flavor, it's definitely better than Ben & Jerry's in my opinion. So yeah, this Häagen-Dazs getting perfect 10 out of 10. And thank you for watching, and comment below if you have tasted this ice cream and did you like it or not. I wanna see what you guys here think about this product. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next review. And go buy this ice cream if you want to experience pleasure in your mouth. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you guys in next time.